let's learn how you can hide your WhatsApp status from someone. So the first step is to open your WhatsApp application. Now you want to head over to settings in bottom right corner, then scroll a bit down and find this privacy option. So click right here. Then you will see this status option in this list. Click here, and here you can choose who can see your WhatsApp status. Now you can choose everyone. You can only share with few contacts, and you can share with everyone except some contacts. So you want to click on this second option, and right here you will get the list of your contacts. So to hide it from someone, you just want to click on that person and you want to click on done, and now that person won't be able to see your status. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.